Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to today debate session. So, in a world full of opinions, critical thinking matters, and today we bring two opposing viewpoints together to discuss about the assignment in the classroom. And welcome to our debate session. Let's get started. Okay guys, let's move to the next session and I invite the Team Pro to explain the argument. Team Pro, time is yours.
Yeah. So, thank you, moderator, and ladies and gentlemen. I strongly believe that lecture should reduce the number of assignments and focus more on the quality of learning. Today, many students face an overload of assignments from different courses at the same time. Instead of improving learning, the situation causes stress, fatigue, and low motivation. Students often complete assignments only to meet deadlines, not truly understand the material. According to journal, the impact of homework on students will be by Cooper at EA 26, excessive homework increase anxiety and reduce students' well-being. When students are mentally tired, learning becomes ineffective. Quality learning should focus on understanding, discussion, and real-life application. If lectures reduce unnecessary assignment to improve teaching methods such as interactive discussion and problem-solving activities, students can learn more deeply and meaningfully.
Thank you. I agree with my team. In the modern digital era, studies already receive large amount of information from the internet, social media, and online learning. But from giving to many assignments only as pressure. Question at L209 in homework and his role in academic assignment explain that exercise homework does not always lead to better academic results. Studying with moderate workload often show better motivation and long-term understanding. Instead of manipulating assignment, lecture should focus on project-based learning, case studies, and classroom discussion. This method helps students develop critical thinking and creativity and communication skills, which are more valuable in today's world.
Okay, thank you Team Pro for your opening statements. And now, we will hear the opening arguments for the contracting. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I strongly oppose this motion. Assignments are an essential part of the learning process. Without assignment, students will not review or practice what they have learned in class. According to Cooper 1989, Does homework improve academic achievement? Homework helps students strengthen understanding and improve exam performance, especially in subjects that require practice such as mathematics and language. Assignment trains students to study independently, manage time, and take responsibility. Reducing assignment may weaken discipline and thus learning outcomes. What do you think, sister?
Okay, thank you Team Contra, and we will move to the rebuttal session. Team Pro, please respond to the arguments from the Team Contra.
So, but the problem lies in exercise assignment. Many lecturers give multiple texts without considering students' workload from other courses. Cooper at EL 26 clearly stated that too much homework harms students' mental health and motivation. Learning quality occurs when students are stressed and exhausted. Using assignment does not mean improvement practice. It means assigning fewer but more meaningful tasks that truly help students understand the subject.
Okay, additionally, some studies used by Team Contra admit how education has changed significantly with technology. The student can learn through online tutorials, digital simulation, and interactive platforms. Learning is no longer limited to homework on paper. Therefore, reducing traditional assignments allows students to explore real learning in more flexible and creative ways.
Okay, thank you, Team Contra. This is your turn for rebuttal.
Okay, we agree that homework shouldn't be exercised, but reducing assignment is risky. Without regular practice, a student may lose discipline and fail to master key skills. Homework is not only about grades, but also about building strong learning habits.
Furthermore, not all students are self-motivated. Homework provides structure and guidance, especially for students who struggle academically. Remove or reduce assignment may increase learning gaps. That's under to model.
Thank you, Team Contra. Please present your second round.
So, in the take long term, exercise assignment can cause burnout. 13 and EL 29 show that students with healthy workload experience low motivation and emotional exhaustion. Lecture should focus on teaching quality through methods like collaborative learning and in-class problem solving, where students receive immediate feedback.
Reducing assignment also allows students to develop other important skills such as teamwork, leadership, and creativity. Education should support holistic development, not only academic score.
Thank you, Team Contra. Please present your second round.
Okay, reading assignment helps students build consistency in learning. Without homework, students may depend on last minute studying, which is ineffective.
Some subjects require repetition, such as English learning and mathematics. Homework ensures students practice regularly and do not fall behind. Go back to model.
Thank you. We will now move to cross-examination. Impro, you may ask questions.
So, do you agree that too much homework can negatively affect students' mental health, as stated by Cooper at EL 26?
Yes, if it is exercise, we support balanced homework.
How do you respond to students who work part-time and struggle with heavy assignment loads?
They need time management skill, which homework helps develop.
Thank you, Team Contra. Your question to Impro.
Okay, I wanna ask you, if assignment are done, how can students practice technical skills outside the classroom?
So, through in-class projects and online learning tools.
With homework, how do you prevent students from becoming lazy?
Motivating teaching method and meaningful project can replace routine homework.
Okay, thank you. We will now proceed to the second round of arguments. Team Pro, please continue.
So, education today value understanding, cooperation, and critical thinking. Exercise homework and students, balance and motivation. Students reduces assignments allows lecture to focus on learning and quality interaction.
With modern technology, learning does not depend only on homework. Fewer assignments ensure innovation, activity, and deeper learning. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Now, we move to the closing statement from Team Contra.
So, homework remains essential for discipline and academic success. Reducing assignment risks lowering educational standard.
And quality learning must be supported by regular practice. Homework prepares students for real-world challenges and long-term success. I think that's all from my team. And back to moderator.
Okay, this concludes today's debate. Thank you to both of teams for your strong arguments and respectful discussion. Thank you, everyone.